if you are sitting here watching this and you have everything figured out and you have all of the answers and you don't feel like you can learn anything from anyone around you, you are not a candidate for Medvale. Um, Medvale is full of just authentic, great humans that are all trying to bring the best version of themselves forward. And in order to do that, you have to admit your strengths and you have to admit your weaknesses and you have to let your guard down and you have to let your walls down and you have to be humble and you have to be vulnerable and you have to be able to share those things. And at first, I think that most healthcare executives are like, well, I'm not going to go to a group and do that. And I will say that, man, that is the greatest joy of Medvale is being able to take that and take it to a community of people that can help you solve those challenges and feel like you're in a safe space and that circle of trust to do that. So that's really the person, if you feel like, hey, I can do that. Like I can get in there and I can talk about my, successes and also my failures and also my struggles, and I can ask people for help. And then this is a really great group to do that in.